guys. Here's your Fourman Enterprise hydraulic press. Working all the way here, right here. We'll press it through this steel down there. Pretty neat. It's got a spring on there. When you release it, it comes back up. She's tight now. This here is adjustable here up and down, so you don't have to have the full length of the jack to do something. It's got it's heavy duty. Got tubing down here for legs. Got all these adjustments. It's got this here's a high dollar one. This has got your hydraulics here to push into that. Got your hose going across here. These are not cheap.